I'm here in Zambia and I'm surprised. I know Zambian people might not like this, but man, I'm coming here, I've been listening the history of Zambia. I did not read, but I've been listening. And then looking at the history, you'll find out that all different kinds of Africas, they were together. Actually, Zambia, Malawi, and Zimbabwe, it used to be one country. And then we're gonna go to Ethiopian cafe. Somebody just texted me on TikTok, say, my brother, I've been following you for a long time, and I would love to have a coffee with you. And I said, yes, why not? It's gonna be amazing to taste that. This is the journey to One Africa. Do you know that coffee was first discovered in Ethiopia? A lot of people, they don't know this fact. They think it was Yemen, they think it was Somalia, but the matter of fact was discovered in Ethiopia. And this is what happened. You know, one side, the place where they discovered coffee, there were these gods. And these gods, they were eating coffee bean. At that time, it was not yet recognized as a coffee bean. And these gods, whenever they ate these beans, they were really active. They couldn't sleep. They were just disturbance all the time. So later on, they were finding out like why, whenever these gods eat these beans, they're getting really active. So they tried actually to use the same bean for human beings as well. That's when and how they discovered coffee. So wherever you go, whether you're in the continent, outside of the continent, wherever you see coffee, wherever you drink coffee, you must appreciate and recognize and realize that the discovery of coffee, it was done in Ethiopia. Alright guys, this is Mika and I am in Zambia, and right now where I am right now, this is Yeno's Cafe. So Yeno's Cafe is an Ethiopian cafe brand in Zambia. Why am I sharing this with you guys? Because so yesterday I was going through my TikTok and I saw a message from one person called Yeno. And this person doesn't have a picture, doesn't have anything. I usually go through the messages and I saw this person inviting me, say, hey, my brother, you know, would you mind to visit my cafe, Yeno Cafe, and grab coffee with me? And I was like, oh yeah, sure. Are you guys in Zambia? And they said, yes, we're in Zambia, Lusaka. I was like, all right, I'll find my way there. So today, as we were communicating, it turned out that this is the cafe. It's real cafe owned by an Ethiopian in Zambia. And I think this is the progress that we need. You know, when you come to the countries like this, most of the time you see Chinese, you see Americans, you see Europeans. But, you know, when you find African doing business in another African country, this is the open trade. This is the thing that we want in our continent, for Africans to be able to move from one country to another and to do work. So kudos to Yeno. This is such a wonderful cafe. You know, I've been running around looking at all this traditional cafe stuff, you know, the atmosphere, everything inside here, it's very quality. And I think we have all the reason to celebrate our fellow Africans when they do achievements such as this. So kudos to Yeno. And if you're in Zambia, Lusaka, if I were you, I will only go to one cafe, Yeno's Cafe. and this is where I am. And by the way, I tried the coffee. The coffee is really nice. It's pure Ethiopian coffee, and it's really nice. It was amazing. Alright guys, so I'm here with one of my brothers. He works here in Yeno's Cafe. Brother, how are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Would you mind to let us know if somebody come here to Yeno's Cafe, what are they gonna find? What is the signature menu? What is the uniqueness about this cafe?
Okay, thank you so much. We welcome you first at Yeno's Cafe. Thank you so much. And I would like to say we've got a nice menu here. Yeah, you can find coffees, you can find breakfast, you can also find lunch. Yeah, so the things that we offer here, we offer something like sandwiches, coffees like cappuccino, cafe latte, cafe mocha, espresso, americano, iced coffees, and also iced teas. So to mention but a few, also make some something like for lunch. We can also offer you shima as a Zambian staple food.
I love that.
Yeah.
That's my favorite.
Yeah. So also you can also have soft drinks.
Yes.
Assorted soft drinks. Yeah, like Coke, Fantas, Minute Maids, and also some energy drinks. Yeah, also do the juices, the fresh squeezed juices, natural, which is the orange juices, the apple juices. Also make watermelon juices, pineapple juices, a lot to mention but a few.
Wow.
So you can come at Sunshare Building. You can also come at East Park Mall shop. It's just opposite Woolworth Boutique. Also along Zambezi Road, you can find us also at Financial Future. Behind the building, you can also find the same shop, same menu, nice food. Yeah.
I can guarantee you, brother, that the food was amazing.
Okay.
I actually had a sandwich, a muffin, and also a cappuccino.
How did you?
Oh my God!
You enjoyed it?
You know, that's why I want to leave right now. Because if I stay here, I'm gonna finish all of the.
Oh yeah, you can also finish. So you can give us this thing. Thank you so much. We appreciate. We would like to welcome you again.
Thank you so
As you wish, you can still come back.
Yes.
You can have lunch.
Yes.
You can have breakfast.
Yes.
Yeah. You can also invite your friends.
Yes,
So they can also see the beautiness of this shop.
Yeah, it's really beautiful.
So wishing you all the best.
Yeah.
Yeah. See you again.
And I gotta give you credits that customer service is amazing.
Okay.
So you're doing pretty good job.
Thank you so much.
I appreciate
We
it.
appreciate it. All right.
Thank you.